What's up, friends? It's cocktail time. I'm going to show you how to make an amazing pineapple margarita at home. Have you ever had a pineapple margarita in a restaurant and you're like, why is this so good? But if I try to make it at home, it's not quite as good. There's a few tips and tricks that you need to make a really good pineapple margarita. The first one is you do not want to oversalt your rim when you're making a pineapple margarita. The salt can diminish the flavor of the pineapple just a little bit. So what I like to do is just rim half of the glass with kosher salt. So what I like to do is dip in a little agave syrup. And you know what people are doing now, which I love? I'm gonna show you really quick. They're taking a brush and brushing down the side of the cocktail glass so that you get kind of like a salty patch. And it looks very aesthetic. Let me show you. So we're gonna dip that agave syrup into the kosher salt. And it looks like that. It looks like a little stripe of kosher salt on the side of your glass. All right, we're gonna set that aside and make the drink. The number one tip for making a pineapple margarita at home is making sure that you have a shaker that you're gonna shake the cocktail up in. Pineapple juice needs to be shaken to be super, super delicious. So if you don't have a cocktail shaker and you don't wanna buy one, totally fine. Grab a mason jar from your kitchen, it will do the same thing. So we're gonna get a little bit of ice down in that shaker. We're gonna start with 1 to 1.5 ounces of silver tequila. With pineapple, I think you could also use a little reposado tequila, which has just a little bit more flavor. Then we're gonna go in with about 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau, which is an orange liqueur. You could also use a triple sec. And of course, this is a margarita, so we need a little bit of fresh squeezed lime juice, just about 1/2 ounce here. And finally, the pineapple juice. You need about 2 ounces of really good pineapple juice. Now we're gonna pop the lid on and shake it for like 20 to 30 seconds. All right, look at this. See how the pineapple almost became creamy and it gets froth on top? That is opening the pineapple flavor and making it so delicious. I 100% have pineapple juice in my face. All right, we're gonna bring that glass back in. I'm actually gonna do 1 large cube in this pineapple margarita. Feeling very craft cocktail today. And then just strain it over the ice. Now for garnish, with your pineapple margarita, you can put an entire pineapple wedge in there. You could do a lime wheel. You could do both. Whatever you do, it's super delicious. You can find the full printable recipe at momsdinner.net. Cheers.